Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the best VPN extensions in Chrome. First, open your Chrome browser. Move your mouse to the top and click on the address bar. Type Chrome Web Store and press enter. Click on the first result to open the Chrome Web Store. Once you are in the store, go to the search bar at the top. Type Surfshark VPN extension. You will see Surfshark appear in the list. Click on it. On the right side, you will see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome. A small pop-up may appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Wait a few seconds while Chrome installs it. Once it is installed, go to the top right of your browser and click on the puzzle icon to see your extensions. Click on the Surfshark icon. A new window will open asking you to log in. If you already have a Surfshark account, enter your email and password and click Log In. If you do not have an account, click on Create Account and follow the steps. It will guide you through creating your account and choosing a subscription plan. Once logged in, you can select a server location and turn on the VPN with one click. Now, let us look at NordVPN as another option. The steps are the same. Go back to the Chrome Web Store search bar. Type NordVPN extension. Click on NordVPN in the results. Click Add to Chrome and confirm. Once it has been added, click the extension icon in the top right to open it. Again, you will be asked to log in. Enter your account details. If you do not have an account yet, click Sign Up. The extension will guide you through the process to create your account and choose a plan. After logging in, you can connect to a server and your browser will be protected. That is the full process for using a VPN in Chrome. Thanks for watching.